Good morning, 10th class students. Our running topic is progressions. So from that today I am going to explain 6.2 exercise problems. Listen well. So here is one of the very important question from these progressions. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Solution: in AP, third term A3 is equal to 5 and also seventh term A7 is equal to 9. See, in this problem I don't know the value of A and also I don't know the value of D. It means I don't know the first term and also I don't know the common difference. To find the AP series I need the value of first term and also common difference. First we have to find first term and also common difference. See, A3 means third term. How you write third term? A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 5. It means A plus 2D is equal to 5. That is equation 1. Then after seventh term, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So seventh term, A plus 7 minus 1 into D is equal to 9. A plus 6D is equal to 9. This is second equation. What is the first equation? A plus 2D is equal to 5. And what about second equation? A plus 6D is equal to 9. So I am subtracting the two equations. Second equation minus first equation. What about the second equation? A plus 6D is equal to 9. And first equation A plus 2D is equal to 5. Minus and also minus. Plus A minus A cancel. 60 minus 2D 4D. 9 minus 5 4. So D is equal to 4 by 4. So the value of the D means common difference is 1. Then after D is equal to 1 I am substituting. Substitute in first equation. What is the first equation here? A plus 2D is equal to 5. A plus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 minus 2. A is equal to 3. So now I know the value of A and also I know the value of the D. What is the AP series? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma so on. What is the first term? 3. And the common difference is 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So on. What is the required AP series? 3, 4, 5, 6, so important question from this topic. Find the 11th term from the last of the AP. Find the 11th term from the last of the AP. He is not asking 11th term. From last 11 he is asking. For example, 1 to 100 terms are there. What is the second term? Second is the second term. Then what is the second term from last? It means you have to count from last. Last term is 100. Before that 100, 99. Before that 98. So 98 is a log from last onwards second term. He is not asking 11th term. He is asking from last 11th term. To find that, first you have to know how many terms are there in the given AP. See, solution. What about the A is equal to first term, that is 10, and D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Then after, what is the last term? An. an is equal to minus 62. 8 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 62. Then a means 10 plus n minus 1 means I don't know how many terms are there. Minus 62 is a last term but not a number of terms. D means minus 3 is equal to minus 62. Now plus 10 it's converted as a minus 10. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal minus 62 and minus 10. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal minus 72. Then n minus 1 is equal to minus 72 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. 3 2s are 6. The remaining 1 12. 3 4s are 12. So n minus 1 is equal to 24. So n is equal to 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So in this series there are 25 terms. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and also 25. So there are 25. So what do you want? He wants the 11th term from the last of the AP. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So from last 11th term is 15. From last 11th term is equal to 50th term. It means A50 is equal to A plus 15 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 14D. What about the A is equal to 10 plus 14 into D means minus 3 is equal to 10. Plus into minus minus 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. So what is the term? Minus 32. Minus 32 is a 11th term from the last from 6.2 exercise. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. So 7, 13, 19, up to 205. You have to find how many terms are there in this series. Next one 18, 15 and 13, so on up to minus 47. So in this both AP you have to find the number of terms. Solution. What is the first question? 7, 13, 19 up to 205. See, A is equal to first term 7 and D is equal to common difference A2 minus A1. What about A2? 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Then let an is equal to 205. What is the formula to find A? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 205. A means first term 7 plus n means I don't know how many terms are there. You have to find the value of n. And D is equal to 6 is equal to 205. So n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205 minus 7. N minus 1 into 6 is equal 205 minus 7. It is nothing but 198. Then n minus 1 is equal to 198 by 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 remaining 18. 6 3s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 33. N is equal to 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. There are 34 terms are in given AP. In given AP. So this AP contains 34 terms. Then after second one 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 up to minus 47. You have to find the number of terms. And what about A is equal to 18. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 means 15, 1 by 2 minus 18. 15 2 is 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 31 by 2 minus 18. I am taking 2 as LCM. So 31 minus 36. It is minus 5 by 2. An is equal to minus 47. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 47. What about the A is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into, what is the value of D here? D is equal to minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Plus 18 converts to minus 18. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal minus 47 and minus 18. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47 and minus 18. 57, 65. So minus 65. It means n minus 1 is equal to minus 65 into minus 2 by 5. Minus and minus plus. 5 ones are 5. Remaining 1. 5 3s are 15. N minus 1 is equal to plus 26. Then n is equal to 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. So in this series there are 27 terms.